Welcome to Trinet, a 100% autofill decentralized smart contract. A platform where you can earn unlimited trins by investing just 10 trins and up to $10,000 maximum limit. Trinet offers a income up to 490%, which means up to 5x return on your deposits. Trinet is one of the best platform to earn non-working income of 7% to 9.4% daily. Along with this, you also get lifetime ROI. It's one of the maximum daily ROI passive income ever offered by any platform. Trinet is fully autonomous and cannot be hacked, as it runs on a fully verified smart contract which is totally transparent and secure. Along with this, it is also 100% decentralized smart contract that has easy transaction facility as it runs on open blockchain platform. So let's discuss compensation plan of Trinet community. Starting investments with Trinet project is really easy, as you can start with just 10 TRX and make a maximum deposit of 5 million TRX. The total reward for your deposit can be maximum 490%. Trinet offers two types of packages into which you can make contribution. The first package offers 490% total return, which means 7% daily passive income for 70 days. Out of your total income, 50% can be withdrawn and rest 50% can be reinvested. The best thing about reinvestment is that right after reinvesting, you will start to earn 1% daily ROI lifetime. The second package offers 423% total return, which means 9.4% daily passive income for 45 days. Again, in this package also, out of your total income, 50% can be withdrawn and rest 50% can be reinvested. But the reinvestment bonus is 50% higher than the first package. So after reinvestment, you will start to earn 1.5% daily ROI lifetime. Trinet also offers a referral program through which you can increase the speed of your earnings through affiliates. So you can reach 490% limit before 70 days as well. So for all your referrals, you will earn 10% from first level, 2% from second level, 1% from third level and 0.5% from fourth level to 10th level.